a legacy 175-foot cell tower, a monopole, or make a big pivot to something called intelligent infrastructure.
Yeah, and the sources, they really don't hold back. They frame it as this fundamental strategic pivot.
Is that just politics, or why frame it that way?
Well, it's because that legacy tower, the sort of tactical fix for current 4G gaps,
Uh,
it's basically obsolete right out of the gate. Sure, it patches, coverage holes, maybe helps with 9/11 issues now,
okay.
but it's completely incompatible with what's needed next. The city's push towards the strategic option, this public infrastructure network node architecture, the PIN system.
PIN. Okay, so what is that physically?
Yeah.
What are we actually talking about building?
So the PIN is the physical structure for deploying this intelligent infrastructure. The documents call them condos for electronics.
The condos for electronics. Okay.
Yeah, it sounds a bit funny, but the idea is a consolidated, aesthetically pleasing structure. It's designed to reduce that streetscape clutter.
Ah, right. Getting the community on board. The social license to operate, as they put it.
Precisely. That's key for actually deploying quickly.